Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off read receipts on Twitter. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Note that when you turn off read receipts, you will no longer be able to see when other people have read your messages also. Open Twitter and tap on your user icon in the top left corner. Choose Settings and Support from the menu that appears. Then tap Settings and Privacy. Select Privacy and Safety from the Settings menu. In Privacy and Safety, tap Direct Messages. Turn off the toggle to the right of Send Read Receipts. It looks slightly different on iPhone and says Show Read Receipts instead of Send Read Receipts, but the steps to get there are all the same. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Twitter tips and tricks.